Good morning, everyone. We were studying chapter 7, e-commerce or e-business. In this chapter, we have already studied about the e-commerce, their properties and the difference between the e-commerce and traditional commerce. And in our last class, we have also seen the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. Okay, so now today we are going to study about the electronic commerce business mode. So there are total 6 business mode. First one is business to business, second is business to consumer, third is consumer to consumer, fourth is consumer to business, fifth is business to government, and sixth is government to business. Okay, now we are going to study this one by one. So first is business to business e-commerce mode. So in this business to business mode, the website following this model sells its product to an intermediate buyer who then sells the product to the final customer. Actually, in other words, it is a company buying or selling product to or from other companies. बिजनेस टू बिजनेस में क्या होता है कि एक कंपनी दूसरी कंपनी से प्रोडक्ट खरीदती है एंड देन वो अपने कस्टमर्स को सेल आउट करती है. फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए होलसेलर क्या है? It is a place an order from a company's website and after receiving the consignment sells the end product to final customer who comes to buy the product at wholesalers retailer outlet. Okay, so wholesaler को हम mediator भी बोल सकते हैं या फिर we can say this follows business to business mode. Next is business to consumer. The websites which following or we can say which sells its products directly to a customer. ऐसी वेबसाइट जो अपना प्रोडक्ट डायरेक्टली कस्टमर्स को सेल आउट करती है, दैट वेबसाइट फॉलो बिजनेस टू कंज्यूमर मोड. A customer can view product shown on the website of the company. The customer can choose a product and order the same. Then website sends a notification to the business organization via email and they dispatch the product goods to the customer. In business to consumer mode, business websites is a place where all transactions take place between a business organization and a consumer directly. So as you can see in the flow chart, there is a different organization which produce a product, okay, and there is a customer also who can buy a product from the website. So business to consumer website follows, or we can say plays an intermediate role between business and organization and customer, and all the transaction take place on that website also. Next is consumer to consumer. In consumer to consumer e-commerce, it is differ from a business to business model or a business to consumer model because consumer interact directly with each other. Website following consumer to consumer business model help consumer to see their properties, car, motorcycle, etc. by providing the necessary information on the website. Website may or may not charge the consumer for its service. Any customer can opt to buy the product of the first customer by viewing the post advertisement on the website. There is an example of consumer to consumer mode such as the OLX, where you can buy a particular product from the customer. You can buy a second hand product actually from a consumer and they or you can transact on that website also. All the transaction take place on that website or at the consumer mode also. Okay, so this is the flow chart. There is a website between the customer and business organization. We are not going to call it a business organization because that is a customer also. Once you went to through the website, you just buy the particular product. The website gives notification to the second customer also, and the customer send their product to you directly or first to the website. Next is consumer to business. A consumer approaches website showing multiple options for a particular service. Consumer places an estimated of amount she wants to spend for a particular service. The business model is the opposite of the traditional business to consumer model. Alliance was one of the first websites to offer this type of transaction. Alliance, there is a freelancer also. Actually, here you can find a work online, okay, and in this website, first a business organization post a work of their interest and then consumer find their work of their interest. ओके, एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, कंज्यूमर वहाँ पे अलायंस और फ्रीलांसर जितनी भी वेबसाइट्स हैं वहाँ पे जाके अपने इंटरेस्ट का वर्क सर्च आउट करते हैं एंड देन फिर बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उनको वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड कराता है. सो दिस इज़ अ कंज्यूमर टू बिजनेस मोड. Next is business to government. Business to government is a derivative of business to business marketing and often refers to as a market definition of public sector marketing, which encompasses. Next is business to government. Business to government is a derivative of business to business marketing and often referred to as a market definition of public sector marketing, which encompasses marketing product and service to various government level through integrated marketing communication technique such as strategic public relation, branding, marketing, communication, advertising, and web-based communication. Enterprise one is kind of organization or website which work on the business to government mode. In this, the business organization or the government work by communicating each other, and it is also known as public sector marketing. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.